Let's talk about keeping your PS5 alive and kicking. Specifically, we're diving into the NXQWLL replacement power supply, the ADP-400FR, designed for the CFI 1200 series PS5 consoles. If your PlayStation 5 is suddenly refusing to power on, or is exhibiting some weird power-related issues, this could be your potential fix, and a whole lot cheaper than buying a new console. This power supply is specifically made to be compatible with both the digital and Ultra HD versions of the PS5, targeting models CFI 1215A, CFI 1215B, CFI 1202A, CFI 1202B, CFI 1216A, CFI 1216B, CFI 1218A, and CFI 1218B. It's important to note that this is not compatible with the 4G version of the console, so double-check your model number before you order. The NXQWLL power supply mirrors the original in terms of voltage, accepting an input of 100-127V at 4.5A or 200-240V at 2.3A, both at 50-60 Hz. It then outputs plus 12V at 31A, providing a stable and efficient power source that your PS5 needs to run smoothly. One of the best things about this replacement is that it comes with a power cord. This is a huge convenience, saving you the hassle of trying to find a compatible cord separately. It's ready to go right out of the box. The build quality seems solid. The power supply is made from a durable ABS material, which should resist wear and tear and prevent rust. It's also compact and fully sealed. Installation is designed to be straightforward, with precise cutouts and connectors that ensure a perfect fit. This makes the replacement process relatively easy, even if you're not a seasoned technician. Of course, always exercise caution when working with electronics and ensure the console is unplugged before you start.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.